We are very excited to announce that you can now access your DairyComp data from any device, anytime, and anywhere through our new cost-free VAS platform. In conjunction with DairyComp on your computer, the platform gives you access to both the web-based platform as well as the mobile app on your phone, making herd management and data entry even more convenient. Whether you need to look up information on an animal, check in on herd management lists such as animals due to calve or cows to dry off, or enter an event such as a breeding or a vaccination, the platform gives you the power to do this on the go. There is no limit as to how many users or devices can be linked to your dairy's platform, and you can even invite key members of your management team such as veterinarians or nutritionists to view your herd data. For the platform to communicate seamlessly with your DairyComp program, there are a few key requirements. Number 1, you must already be a DairyComp user. Number 2, your DairyComp program is already installed on a computer running Windows 7 version or a newer version. And lastly, you must have a consistent and strong internet connection. For more information about the platform, please visit the VAS platform website or feel free to give us a call on the DairyComp support line to speak with one of our team members about getting signed up for the free platform upgrade.